Hi, my friend. I'm come here to reclaim your names, to know who you are as African. That's why I'm standing here. There's nice breeze, water, the air, you know. It's good to be with nature. African spirituality is in the nature. It's not in the house. It's not in the buildings. God lives here. God is with us everywhere. I am Ndize Rubasha. What I'm telling you here, I want you to claim your name, to know who you are. Our ancestors, they still talking to us. They're still in our mind. We haven't lost. We've been delayed. But always, we have to remember. We have to remember them. I'm not here to recruit anyone. I'm here to tell you, reclaim your name, know your African identity, go back to your roots. We want to be united. The way we go to be united, the way we go to get freedom, the way we go to be proud ourselves is to take back our names and to take our belief. Thank you. Keep following me to the Rubasha Family Podcast and visit my channel, Ndize Rubasha.